Hey there, this is Chris from Not Quite Classical, and this is going to be a 2-minute tutorial on how to play a pull-off. So the first thing you want to make sure of is that your left hand knuckles are parallel with the fingerboard of your guitar. So if you're trying to play a pull-off from way out here, it's going to be much harder. So next you want to make sure you're contacting the string with the fingertips. So if you're trying to do a pull-off on the flat part of your finger, it's going to take a lot more effort to pull through the string. Okay, next you want to make sure that both of the fingers you're using for the pull-off are contacting the string before you play the pull-off. So if you're waiting until the very last second to place the finger you're pulling off to, it's going to have a much weaker sound to it. Okay, so you really want to make sure that finger is contacting the string before you play it. Okay, next you want to make sure the finger you're pulling off with is pulling down. So if you're trying to pull up, again it's going to sound weak. So the job of this finger is to essentially repluck the string. So you want to pull down, and a good way to practice this is to let the adjacent string stop the momentum of that finger. So a good way to practice pull-offs are to line up your fingers on frets 3, 4, 5, and 6 and do 4 pull-offs from your 4th finger to your 3rd finger. And then 4 from your 3rd finger to your 2nd finger. And then 2 to 1. 4 to 2. And 3 to 1. And finally 4 to 1. Okay, so that's how to effectively do a pull-off. So if you're enjoying these videos, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.